Each week, I'll share an overview of the topic to be discussed during that week. In the overview, I will talk about what is important about the material and the expectations for the week. Although this class is asynchronous, we will be developing a learning community in which we will learn from each other. Your weekly posts, comments, questions, and ideas will help all of us dig deeper into the material than if we were studying it on our own. Reading assignments and videos will be assigned each week. The required text will serve as foundational material for all that we study. In spite of the name, Fundamentals of Court Interpreting, we're going to use this book to gain an overview of the world of interpreting in general. Non-professional interpreting and translation will help us see the various areas of life where we can practice missional interpreting. The design for the readings is the first area of collaborative learning. Rather than requiring each student to read the entire assignment, each will read a portion. They then will share what they have garnered from the readings with others in their group. The group will cobble together a joint understanding of their assigned reading, which they, in turn, will share with others in the class. I have found that when I read material, more of it sticks if I can share it with others, then hear what they have learned from the same material. This philosophy will be an underpinning to all the various assignments during the course. Although each week has video assignments attached to it, you are welcome to discover other, hopefully more useful material to view and to share with the class. This is an admission on my part that I may not have found the most relevant video, and you may have found just the one which speaks to the issue we are discussing this week. Please let your mouse roam, find new materials, and share it with the class. Along with the items specific to the week, there are requirements which carry on from week to week. Among these are the glossaries, questions, and videos which will be developed collaboratively. Some of you may be familiar with a television show called Wisdom of the Crowd. The concept behind the show is the truism, all of us are smarter than any one of us. It is generally understood that as we pool our common knowledge, perspective, and understanding, we can arrive at a much better conclusion than any one person can on their own. I am trusting that this group will do just that. Since this is a collaborative effort, students are expected to check in and participate in the class activities throughout the 8-week period. Your attendance and participation will be noted and is part of your final grade. As mentioned above, it is going to take all of us working together to make the most of what we are learning.